Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. The other day, in a melancholy kind of a mood, was the anniversary of my father passing, so I decided to make a dedication video. That's the good-looking guy on the right sitting in the fire truck with me on the running board and my oldest dressed in his junior firefighter. I found this Man Oil fire truck. Man Oil was a company started by the Man Oil brothers up in Tioga, New York in the 30s. They were in business until 1959. And I thought, what better dedication than a toy that my father played with, probably, as a youngster in the 40s. Since my father was a fireman for 26 years, I decided this would be a perfect restoration dedication. Here it is, all stripped. Getting the first coat of paint on it. Getting the wheels cleaned up, some hot soapy water. The wheels on this were really in bad shape. The holes in the middle that rode on the axle were really clay worn and augered out. So I had to come up with a little plan. So I found some brass tubing, the same inside diameter as the axle. So I cut 4 pieces, scuffed them up a little, and epoxied them inside the holes that were left. Sorry for the camera wiggle there. I know you've seen this technique before, and I ended up not using axles, but I thought I'd leave it in just to show you my rust prevention technique. Get them red hot, dip them in the oil. Turns them black and puts a little rust prevention coating on there. But what I found out is after I did it, it made the metal that I used so hard I couldn't see the ends of it over. Here I am painting over the new axle. The metal was some kind of alloy, really strong, so I didn't have to really worry about the rust prevention technique after all. And they roll really well. Here's what we started out with, a 1940s era Man Oil fire truck. Probably just like the ones my dad played with. Here we go with all the details on it. New tires, or re-engineered tires. Put all the chrome on it. Painted the fire hoses. I have no idea what those round things were on the side. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I have lots more to come. And for me and my dad, this is OPA saying goodbye. Look at the shine on that baby. My dad polished quite a few of them over the years.